Hi there, my name is George and my ham radio call sign is EI7 Kilo Oscar. But today we have a bit of car repair for you. About a year ago I uploaded a video to YouTube about replacing parking sensors on the E60 BMW, and we're a year further down the road, and as you could see at the start there, the warning is back again. So we have to do our series of tests like we did before and see which sensor is that's gone. So let's do that and we'll know where we're going then. So the sensors have arrived. Gonna get them rubbed down now, primed and painted to match the car. So the sensors are painted now, same colour as the car, and we need to fit these rubber rings that come with them. The last ones I got didn't come with the rubber rings. I had to reuse the ones that was on the car. So just put them on like that, and that's it then. So painted space grey metallic by my good self with an aerosol can. So I just put them into these bags. Stop them getting marked or anything like that. This paint's still pretty fresh. So we can fit them now. Well, fit one anyway. I'm pretty sure there's one gone, so we'll just have to check them and see. So that's the first sensor. That one's working. Second sensor. That one's working. You can feel it pulsing on your thumb. Don't know if you can hear that. It's like a clicking, ticking sound. So the back is okay. Let's go to the front. So that one's okay. No, there's nothing there. So this one is gone. This one's working. See if you can hear that. You hear the ticking there. And that one's okay. To get this sensor we need to take the bumper off, but we don't need to take it off fully. So what you have to do is, in here there are 3 bolts. There's one here, and then there's one up in here. It goes vertically straight up. They're 8mm bolts, so the 3 of those have to come out. Up under here there's 1, 2, 3, 4 8mm bolts up under there. They have to come out. You have to remove this strip here. It just pulls off. Just grab one end of it and it comes up. So there's bolts under there as well. And then, yeah, whichever side that you need to get in at, you need to remove that headlamp. So you remove the headlamp, you open this bolt here, this one here, and then down here there's a bolt. Where is it? There's a bolt down there. It's hard to see it now with the camera. And there's another one down here, straight down there. 2 8mm bolts as well. And then you have to move the cradle that the headlamp sits on, because there's a plastic bracket between the wing and the bumper, like a flange, and in that flange there is a bolt here and here, and the bolt head is on the underside. So you have to open 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 4 under there is 9, and then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have 14 bolts to open. And obviously if you're taking off this side, you have to remove this headlamp 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to get that side off. But you don't need to take the bumper off completely. There's enough room once you remove whichever side it is you need, that you can pull the bumper out far enough to get at the sensor and change it. So let's get that done. Need to take the whole thing off, as I said. I'm just going to move the camera now so you can see what I'm doing. I have my new sensor ready here. So all we're going to do, so it's in there, just release it. And then we need to unplug it. See there, it's like the previous video. You can see the cracks in the potting compound. That's where the water gets in and writes them off. The new ones, they're done with a completely different potting compound. These have a 10-year warranty, so there you go. Back in position. So we're back here now. We might get a warning or two because the headlamp cluster is unplugged, so we could get warnings for that. Ignition on. Yeah, I knew that was going to happen. Full beam left failure, dip beam left failure. Yeah, I know that. So I hit the button. No flashing light. And there's our sensors. So I'll do a full test now once I get the bumper back on. Okay, so that took a little while, and all you need to do is remove the 3 bolts in the wheel well, remove the strip along the top of the bumper, the ones over the grill, and then you can pull the bumper out far enough on one side to get the sensor in, and then you're good to go. So thanks very much for watching, and we'll get you again soon. This is George, EI7 Kilo Oscar. Bye bye.